Okay, so we'll do blood vessels and structures here on this lung model. So let's look at the arterial system. The heart would be here, and this would be connected to the heart. So this is the ascending aorta, and then it's going to bend backwards, go towards the back. That would be where the arch is. And then here's the descending, becoming the thoracic aorta. When it passes through the diaphragm, it becomes the abdominal aorta. Okay? Branches off of the aorta. This is the brachiocephalic trunk, right here. The brachiocephalic trunk is then going to bifurcate into the right common carotid and the right subclavian. On the left side, there's no brachiocephalic trunk. It just becomes the left common carotid and the left subclavian. Here in the lungs, you also see red and blue, but this is part of the pulmonary circuit. So what you see in blue is actually blood from the heart going to the lungs, deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. So these are pulmonary arteries. They're coming from the pulmonary trunk of the heart. Okay? The blood gets oxygenated, and then these red vessels bring it back to the heart, back to the left atrium. So these are the pulmonary veins in red. So pulmonary veins red, pulmonary arteries blue. This is part of the respiratory. These are branches of the bronchi leading to the air passageways. Here we have the inferior vena cava, superior vena cava. They bring deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Okay? Here on the inferior, we have some of the hepatic veins, bringing blood from the liver to the inferior vena cava. Here, we have superior vena cava. We have a right and left brachiocephalic vein, a right and left subclavian vein, right and left, this in our case would be the internal jugular. The external jugular would be a little branch coming off next to it. Here we have the inferior thyroid vein.